Hello, and thank you for joining us for a Metta or loving kindness meditation practice. We offer this practice today for global unity. This meditation is dedicated to all of those who have been affected by intolerance, injustice, and abuse. Our intention is to send loving kindness to all beings everywhere. The greatest gift we can offer this planet is to elevate our own consciousness, and together we rise. Loka, samasta, sukhino, bhavantu. May all beings be happy, peaceful, and free. My name is Ananda. I am a woman of color. I was raised by a single mother in Minneapolis. I can relate to the hardships of underserved communities, and I can attest to our individual power to elevate ourselves beyond any beliefs that limit our infinite potential. But reaching our potential is only possible with a supportive community and a focused, determined, and compassionate mind. Today's practice is about focusing our mind on building compassion and sharing our love with all beings. There is so much to be done in this moment of turmoil. And while meditation and prayer is a beautiful practice, it is only effective when it is paired with wise action. My hope is that inspiring people to develop even greater compassion will lead to compassionate action. And in this way, we will see a better day for everyone. Today, we will be working with the Buddhist meditation practice of Metta, or loving kindness. Whereas in mindfulness meditation practice, we exercise our concentration muscle, in Metta meditation, we exercise our compassion muscle. By sending love and light to all beings, we become more and more accepting of everyone, even those we may perceive as our enemies. We are all on a spiritual journey. All of us are exactly where we need to be. And regardless of where we are on our path, there are still opportunities for each of us to develop more acceptance and more growth. So, we will start our practice today by coming into a comfortable seat. Please go ahead and find your own posture that is comfortable for you, and honor where your body is in this moment. As you take your time to find your comfortable seat, allow yourself to ground down through the base of your spine. Feel the lower body connecting to the earth or to your cushion, and allow that vibrant life force energy to begin to flow up through your spine as it connects all the way up through the crown of your head. Draw the lower belly in slightly and feel your foundation steady and strong. Begin to lift up and expand through your chest. Lengthen through the back of your neck and allow your shoulders to draw gently down your back. In your perfect alignment, feel the sense of strength and softness. Feel the sense of dignity and compassion in your body. Take a few moments to make any adjustments now. Do this so that you will no longer be disturbed by your outer surroundings, and therefore will not have to make any movements throughout our practice. Now, take a moment and feel your body. Without concentrating on any one particular part, see if you can feel the entirety of your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, all at once. Feel your whole body together. And for your next few breaths, feel the connection that your body has to your breath. As you breathe in, feel your body naturally lengthening and expanding. And as you breathe out, feel your body relaxing into a gentle state of presence. Feel the entirety of each breath. Observe every moment of every inhalation and every moment of every exhalation. Use the awareness of your breath to deepen your state of relaxation. Good. Now maintaining your connection to your breath, maintaining the stillness of your body, and feeling your body in a state of relaxation. Begin to bring your awareness to your mind's eye. And with the power of creativity, visualize yourself holding hands with your inner circle of loved ones. Those beings in your life who your heart naturally pours out to. Reach out for their hands now. See their faces as your circle comes together. And then allow the circle to open. Allow it to expand as each of your loved ones reaches out and connects to all of their loved ones. Everyone who has currently entered the circle now calls in their loved ones. See the circle growing as we hold hands with one another. We continue this pattern of expanding our circle, calling in all beings until every human on the entire planet is included, and everyone is linked hand to hand. This circle now consists of individuals you know and love. It consists of those you feel neutral about, and even those you may have challenges with. Imagine all of us connecting hand in hand. We are all in one circle together. Visualize the planet with everyone holding hands. Children, parents, grandparents, neighbors, lovers, friends, and colleagues. Everyone, all of different races, all of different colors, all from different places, standing in silence and supporting one another now. See each of their faces. See all of the diversity that humanity offers. See the vibrancy of each human spirit before you. And see yourself in every other being. See how beautiful we all are. While we carry so much beauty and so much love, we also carry suffering within. As you look around the circle, you may start to see the fear, the anxiety, the sadness that we carry as well. Allow yourself to see the suffering, see the struggle. See it here as black smoke that surrounds each person. All of the hunger, the anger, the greed, the intolerance, the hatred, the disease. See it all as black smoke. To varying degrees, we all carry our struggle. To varying degrees, we all suffer. See the smoke's darkness, see its density, and see how it suffocates life. With our hands united, within the sea of the black smoke, we call upon the power of unity and universal love to rise up against our struggle. Imagine a stream of light that begins now to pour out of each person's heart in the circle. Imagine the stream of light flowing out of our hearts toward the center of this immense circle that we have created. And in the center, our light meets. It comes to the center to create a pillar of light. This pillar of light begins to form as it grounds down into the earth and rises up. As we each choose love, the pillar grows stronger. As we each choose acceptance, the pillar expands higher and wider. Imagine all of our light now shining out of all of our hearts as it unites in the center and floats upward toward the sky and beyond. See how it slowly begins to expand up and out to encompass the whole planet. See its beauty, how it shimmers, its swirling colors, its unparalleled beauty. Feel the essence of this light upon you and observe this expansive ball of light that now envelops the entire planet. Pouring out of our hearts rises an incredible, vast ball of pure, radiant light that is powered by love. As we connect even more to this loving illumination, the light begins to sprinkle down like rain upon the darkness. The light from our hearts keeps flowing up through the pillar, and the light starts to cascade down over the planet like a flowing river, a bit stronger, and then even stronger still, cascading down with more vibrancy until it is a downpour of light. The darkness dissolves with the torrent of abundant light pouring down upon us. Watch the darkness recede until we are all bathing in a sea of light. See this clearly in your mind's eye. See it now. Finally, we leave the ball of light as it continues to rain down upon us. We leave it in the sky to continue to do its work. And we now come back to our bodies. We come back to this place where we hold each other hand in hand. We see our connection heart to heart. And then we come back to our own individual heart, connecting to our heart center, connecting to pure, radiant love and light. Feel your body cleansed. Feel your body purified from the light that we have collectively cultivated from our hearts. Feel your body here and now. How much love can you feel for yourself? And how much love can you feel for all beings everywhere? How much light can you emanate out to the world? How much more can you enjoy this very moment? How much more can you enjoy the next moment? Know that you are a radiant being of light. I am light, glowing light, radiating light, intensified light, consuming any darkness and transmuting it into light. Today, I am a focus of the central sun. Flowing through me is a crystal river, a living fountain of light that can never be qualified by human thought or feeling. I am an outpost of the divine. Any darkness that has used me is now swallowed up by the mighty river of light that I am. I am. I am. I am light. I live. I live. I live in light. I am light's fullest dimension. I am light's purest intention. I am light, light, light. Flooding the world, everywhere I move, blessing, strengthening, and conveying the essence of pure, pure light. I am. Continuing to hold this essence of light within your entire being, and know that you have the capacity to extend that light out to all beings with the compassion and love that you carry in your heart. From this place, we come back to the breath. We begin to feel our bodies. Feel the body expand as you inhale, and feel the body settle and relax as you exhale. You are here. You are present. You are one with all that is. You are welcome to continue to sit in the space of light, in the space of love and beauty, for as long as you'd like. When you feel ready, you may open your eyes and know that you are a child of the stars, and you are connected to all things and all beings everywhere. With so much love in my heart and hope for all of my brothers and sisters, I bow before the power of our collective consciousness. Only by changing our minds can we hope to change the planet. May we walk in beauty in a sacred way. Thank you for opening your hearts and for sharing in this practice today. Om Shanti, peace. Namaste.